Mr. Boston, Official Bartenders and Party Guide. This isn't just a recipe book. It's often called the Bartender's Bible, a handbook that's been trusted by amateur mixologists and pros alike for decades. I took a bartending course many moons ago, and this book was recommended to me by my instructor at the time. My copy of the book here is actually from 1994, but this book does get updated on the regular, so I'm sure you're looking at something on Amazon published a lot more recently. This wee volume brings together a huge range of cocktail recipes, from timeless classics like the martini to trendier modern marvels, along with useful information about the spirits behind them. Whether you're curious about whiskey styles, experimenting with flavored vodkas, or planning a party menu, this guide gives you both inspiration and practical know how in one place. What makes it fun to flip through, beyond the drinks, is how it feels like a conversation with a seasoned bartender. There's a context about liquors, wine, and beer, quick reference to directories, and enough witty, social ready tips that it's just as enjoyable to read as it is to use when you're actually mixing drinks. There are even some coin tricks in it. This guide is a great pick if you want to take your hosting game to the next level, or deepen your knowledge of spirits, or just turn ordinary evenings into something a bit more memorable. Recommend!